Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. If you're checking out this channel for the very first time and you're interested in becoming a model, definitely hit that subscribe button because I make some of the best content about the modeling industry that you guys are gonna see on YouTube. Okay, so everybody wants to be a working model, right? If you're in the industry. And there are 5 reasons why a lot of times models hit that roadblock where they're not booking anything, they're not getting calls from their agents, it's just completely dead, nothing is happening, right? So I want to give you guys 5 common reasons as to why you may not be booking any jobs right now and how you can fix that. All right, so let's get to it. So reason number 1, the first reason that you may not be booking any jobs is because your images could be exhausted. What I mean by that is maybe you haven't shot new test shoots or you haven't done new digitals in a minute. Your images have circulated, the agents have sent them to the clients have seen them over and over again for various submissions. So at some point your images can get stale, so it's always a good idea to refresh your images, take new test shoots, shoot new headshots, new digitals every couple of months, so that way clients don't get bored with seeing the same images and submissions all the time. And in your agency, they have new materials that they can work with. So these are like marketing tools that they can use to promote you and get you in front of clients, right? Also, by shooting images and shooting test shoots, whether you do them for free, whether you collaborate with other photographers, by doing so, it shows that you're a working model, you're booking, and everyone wants to work with a working model. So the second reason you may not be booking any jobs right now is that your look may not be on trend. So whatever that means for you, whatever look you have, try to switch up your look because this kind of keeps things interesting, and kind of study the market and see who are the models that are getting booked, how do they differ from you. You might want to experiment with changing your hair color, changing your hairstyle, cutting it short, growing it out, shaving your beard or growing it out, whatever it is. Switch up your look every now and then. And of course, when you switch up your look, you definitely want to have new images to go along with that, so that way the clients can see that versatility, right? The next reason you may not be booking any jobs right now is because your agency may not be pushing you or promoting you enough. So it's a good idea to always have a really strong relationship with your booker, with your agents. Maybe walk into the office, invite them out, go have a cup of coffee with them and talk about your career. That's always a good idea to kind of like get your face in front of your agents and help establish and build that stronger relationship. So the next reason you may not be booking is because your book is not strong enough. And what I mean by book, I mean your portfolio is not strong enough. And the way you fix that is to get out there, work with high fashion photographers. Maybe you already have enough high fashion images. Maybe what you need is commercial images, right? So try to have that versatility in your book. Look at what you don't have, look at where you're lacking, and go find those photographers who can fill in the gaps and work with them. The last common reason that you may not be booking right now is that you may not be in the best shape that you possibly can be, right? So as a model, it's important to work out, to eat healthy, to stay in shape. Your body should always stay ready, so that way you don't have to get ready, if you know what I mean. Hit the gym hard and make sure you meet those measurements, because your agency might see the potential, but the clients might not necessarily see the potential if you don't exactly hit those measurements down to a T, right? And honestly, any model who's in great physical condition, excellent shape, low body fat percentage, really nice and defined physique, they always get work. They're always busy. There's always work for those types of models. So if your body is in great, excellent condition, you're gonna find yourself working a lot. But if it's not, maybe you're just somewhere in the middle, then there's a potential that things could slow down for you here and there. So always work on yourself. Try to be a better model tomorrow than you were today. So again, I do offer model consultations on my website. I also have an ebook on how to get into the modeling industry. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave links in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching. If you're watching for the first time, definitely smash that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell because the algorithm is not letting you guys know when I drop new videos. So hit the notification bell so that way you guys can stay updated. I appreciate a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next one.